ní beag gágad leis. Beag túnána dhéanamh.
Beidir guy.
Boy Scout atá.
He's a Boy Scout.
Bhí fear ó Ilan Chléire tá a d'imig go London chun post dáil.
So, a man from Clare went to London to get a job.
Ní ha Ilan Chléire?
Ilan Clare? Where's that? Clare Island?
Cape Clear.
Cape Clear. I'm sorry.
Mahu.
Embarrassed myself already.
Cruchúr ó Driscoil a bannam dó.
Cruchúr?
Ó Driscoil.
Cruchúr Driscoll was his name.
Seo ribh aimsir a tígar Celtic.
This is before the Celtic Tiger.
Agus í an Gallagher go donna.
And Gallagher?
Cuirsaí economíoch.
Okay. I think you got that. Bad economics.
Bhí an Gallagher go donna seachas an lá atá nuam.
Unlike today, when obviously we're all rolling in cash. How many people here can actually get a job this summer? Congratulations. Actually, don't admit that. You'll just make everyone else annoyed.
Sara nachig sé, bhí anna I níir nach meach sé inám I féine chur inúil do bhaintear hasanna.
Before he went, he was worried that he wouldn't be able to introduce himself and get to know the people of England.
Bhí I níir nach raibh chud bhéarla sách ma.
He was worried his English wasn't good enough.
Ach, do thug a air, piece of cóirla dó.
But his dad gave him a bit of advice.
Tóg go bogéic.
Take it easy.
Mar is an gháiling agus an béarla ach í a labhairt sách máil.
Because Irish and English are actually the same if you just speak them slowly enough.
So the chuig Cruchúr go London a réinchama.
So Cruchúr, took himself off to London anyway.
Agus dairich sé gomach ar maidin agus the chuig sé on áit a bháin go dtí an áit eile agus start á lorgaige.
So he got up early in the morning and went from one place to the next looking for a start.
Bhí tart timpeall leabhar tar éis a dé agus chuig sé isteach I dteach ósta.
He got thirsty around 10:30. Jeez, you can tell he's Irish. And went into a hotel.
Agus teach ósta nó teachtarne.
So, hotel pub?
So, agus anis bhí anna hart nó ach bhí sais imníir a rís nach méich sé anán féine chur inúil.
So, he was thirsty, and again he was worried that he just wouldn't be able to be understood by anyone.
Agus an sin de chanig sé ag gcuime an chóirle fuair sé ón áthir.
His dad's advice came to mind.
So, de chuig sé halgadaí an bar agus dúirt sé leis an fear taobhíocht an bhar go mo leisceol.
He went to the young man behind the bar and said, "Ga mo leisceol? Excuse me,
Bhfuilm punt le dóthail?
I would like a pint, please."
So, thug fear a bhar an punt dó agus dúirt seo chuid a bhic.
So the man behind the bar gave him the pint and said, "Here you go, son."
Bhí an áthas Cruchúr mar de réir cosúlachta bhí an ceart ag athair.
Cruchúr was overjoyed because it looked like his dad was right.
Agus fear anna chináilta bhí an taobhíocht an bhar do híl sé.
And your man behind the bar seemed to be very kind, he thought.
So dair córá atara.
So they started a conversation.
Tris tamalín dírig crachór denar chinálta seo. Cad is anam dait?
After a while, he asked the young man behind the bar, "What is your name?"
Thomas Omerchartig Session.
Thomas O'Murchartig.
Agus cad is anam daitje Session.
And what is your name?
Crachór Bríoscaí. Dúirt
Crachór Bríoscaí.
Agus cadas dait?
And where are you from?
Dórugag agus tógag me I Gúlé Session.
I was born and raised in Cooley. It's Cooley, right? Cooley. I was born and raised in Cooley.
County Cork.
County Cork.
Cadas tú féin Session.
Where are you from?
As Ilan Cléire domsa crachór.
As Cape Clear. I'm from Cape Clear.
Dó crachór fiúnt réon chuma agus ag smíanamh an tám go léir.
Crachór drank his pint, thinking the whole time.
Agus nuair bhí deir leis, de láir sé le fear a bhar a ríist.
And in the end, he talked to your man behind the bar again.
Cogar Session.
Psst.
Mas as Coolé Dutche, agus mas as Ilan Cléire domsa.
If I'm from Cooley and you're from, or if you're from Cooley and I'm from Cape Clear,
Ceann fá go bhfuil míad fós ag labhairt Béarla.
why are we still speaking Béarla?
Sin é gur magad.